Welcome to the Pure Daily Care NanoSteamer introduction video. Right out of the box, you are assembled and ready to go. A 120 milliliter can, product manual, and then lastly, the professional 5-piece stainless steel skin kit for perfectly flawless skin every time. That's it! Now plug in your NanoSteamer and you're ready to begin. Let's first turn NanoSteamer to the facial steamer setting. This setting generates nano-ionic steam, which opens pores better than regular steam. After pores are opened, you can effortlessly extract blackheads and other impurities with the included skin kit. NanoSteamer produces a natural phenomenon known as ionic channeling, which uses charged ionic particles to penetrate and deliver your desired beauty treatments into the deeper layers of the skin, not just the outer surface layer. This increased subdermal absorption greatly enhances the effects of your beauty treatments by up to 10 times. Another great feature is the humidifier function. NanoSteamer purifies and moistens air to make it healthier for the entire family by removing particulates, allergens, and making it easier to breathe. It works great if you're feeling a bit congested. Let's turn the NanoSteamer to the warm towel setting. This feature quickly moistens and warms small hand towels to a comfortable temperature. Use this to help clean off makeup, clean your face, or simply for a quick, natural, and refreshing pick-me-up. An ionic facial steamer, home humidifier, and towel warmer. The Pure Daily Care NanoSteamer is a simple and effective 3-in-1 solution for a happier, healthier, and more beautiful you.